Hello YouTube, MCHL8 /YouTube.com. Good day. What's going on with the viewers? Well, today what I've decided to take on, I have time to do this. I have removed this, and this is the back side of it. Outer lock ring, inner lock ring. Okay. I'm going for a spindle bearing. Okay. And here's why. You see that? Okay. All that wobble and play, and it did even jam up even after I last used it. I used it 2 weeks ago, I think, for about a half hour. I used it. It was fine. Then after I disengaged it, I wanted to double check that. I don't have that out. Yes, I do. Where is it? Hold on. Hold on. It's over here. There we go. I wanted to make sure that that disengaged on both sides, and that one shaft wasn't turning, and I figured it was still engaged. See this right here? You can see that move. That's what engages this style. So I figured it was still engaged. Well, I played with it and this and that, and comes to find out, it was either the universal joint that was tight on that side, or it was going to be the bearing. I don't have the bearing, replacement bearing, on hand. Now, as we open this thing up, we're going to discover if it was dry and it jammed up, or whatever the case be, failed, or if water got in it and made it fail. 6 of one, half of the other. I don't see evidence of water here, though. I don't. Not on this side. We won't know until we get it apart more and look at the back side. I'm going to check the wheel bearings and shit like that while I'm at this. I don't have my rotors, my fresh brake rotors and shit like that yet. It is what it is. I have to service this, I guess. I'm going pretty deep in here. When I do that, I won't have to go quite as far. I got to go every bit, but yeah, not quite. I have to figure out, oh, here's that socket I was looking for yesterday. No, it's not the one. I have to figure out which one of these I need. I have a couple of them, different variations. This here's from Chevrolet. Don't need that no more. Yeah, I got to figure out which one I need. I've got the 44, I think it is. I've got the 50.5, something like that. It's probably that one right there, honestly. Yeah, so I'll be making another video as I open this thing up, and I'll show you the bearing that I'm after, and I think that'll just about be that. In the meantime, thanks for looking. Throw me a like, subscribe if you wish. You never know what I throw up, throw out, whatever. Yeah. Post, I'm going to say. Alright. Thanks for looking.